boy, this is Cybertron John, and today I am going to be doing an unboxing video. There have been numerous times where I've wanted to do an unboxing video, but just never had the time to. So, today we're doing this big lad. We're doing this big boy. Fortress Maximus. Now, when I saw this, in the mail, in this big box, I was like, what? Because this guy, right now, he's gonna be like astronomically huge, which is just insane. He's gonna be like the biggest Transformer I own now. Originally Unicron was, and I only got like Unicron like last year, something like that. So, yeah, pretty crazy. But yeah, what we will do, once I've got him out of his box, is we will compare him to Unicron, Masterpiece MPO1, and the only Titan Master I own, which I've just put on G1 Power Master Optimus Prime in base mode. So, how about we just cut this guy open and see what it looks like. Wow. Tape. God. Okay. There we go. Right. That seemed a bit more easier said than done. Okay. There. Yeah. Ugh. God. Right. Oh, wow. That fell off. Oh, so I guess that goes on. Oh, so it goes on like that. Yes. Oh my god. He is huge. Oh my god. Okay, bunch of twisty ties. Oh boy. Well, this is gonna be fun. Now I'm gonna have to untie him. There's some that. Oh, by the way, I forgot to mention that the box art, it looks very, very cool. I think this is supposed to resemble Fortress Maximus doing some form of fight on Cybertron, because that does kind of look like Cybertron up there, but I'm gonna just say that might be one of Cybertron's moons. To say, I'm just throwing that type of theory out there from what I can see, which is on the battlefield, and as far as I can also see is repro labels will do great things to this figure, because, you know, Hasbro stickers are cool, but, you know, at the end of the day, some people are just not satisfied with stickers, so, you know, repro labels can just imitate this as Fortress Maximus powering up and stuff like that, which is also very cool. There's top of the box. I like how they do the Orbot symbols as like comets or something like that. That you sometimes see in the sky, like asteroids or something like that, or a shooting star maybe. There's the back of the box. Very, very cool. I need something stronger than scissors. Or maybe not. Okay. We're gonna just put all the rubbish over there. Okay, just take this out. As far as I know, for repro labels, they turn this into a shuttle, so repro labels can kind of like find more than one use for this bit, I guess, which some people say is just not needed. It was on the original. It formed something on the original which was quite good, like a weaponized cannon in city mode. But just, yeah, you just can't find much use for it here, but it's good that repro labels could just turn it into something, really. You know what, just to save you the boring stuff, I'll probably edit me doing this because it's just gonna take very, very long, and I know that you guys are gonna find it very boring, so... And oh, here are the instructions and stickers as well. Okay, so... oh dear. That already fell off. Oh boy. Don't know where that goes. I think that may go on the crotch. I'm just gonna check the box. No, that does not go on the crotch, which does seem to worry me. Oh dear. Oh dear. Anyway, there's the sticker sheet looking nice and crummy. Yeah, it does look very, very nice as well. Looks pretty cool. This does look like the quality that you'd get from repro labels as well, which is quite good that Hasbro are doing that for us. Repro label sets that are qualities. And because this lad's like a big boy, that's going to be like a project within itself, so, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh my goodness me. Alright. I'm just gonna put his head down. Yeah, this is a turntable. Quite cool. Yeah, man. That's cool. Bit tight though. Wow. Very, very tight. Actually, I gotta make sure. Yeah, there we go. Feet are tapped in now. So, very, very tight turning. Oh my god. Really tight. Oh dear, we lost the headrest. Oh god. Just keep it like that. Like the ratcheting he has. Gosh, right. Now we're gonna try and assemble them together. Well, that's not a problem, just mushroom pegging. Right. Right. Oh my. Okay. Don't know if I'm gonna do this, but... ah, there we go. Oh my god. Woo. That didn't feel very hard to do. Oh, okay. Alright. Gosh. Out of the package, I'm just looking at him right now and I'm like, I'm loving this guy already. So, yeah. Because, you know, he does look awesome, for what he is. Anyway, here are some more bits from him. You got the instructions. and some warning stuff as well. Tech specs for Cerebros, I'm sorry, and Fortress himself. All 20s when combined together, so this guy is powerful. He's like maxed out, so he is super powerful. That's a nice little card. Just simply what there was on the front of the box. Looks very cool as well. Anyway, God. We're gonna bring him down here. And yeah, he does look very top heavy, as if he's gonna fall back, but his legs just support him, his big bulky legs. And so that won't be a problem. I've also heard that he has some recycled parts from Metroplex, like this bit here, which doesn't really help in the grand scheme of things much, but I understand that they're recycling certain things. Bits at the forearms, that's all Metroplex as well. Everything at shoulder, that's just completely new. Ramps from Metroplex's legs are at the back. Same legs as Metroplex, just done in a different fashion. These feet are the same, but just molded and reinforced in a different fashion on the outside as well. And this is the same crotch as Metroplex, so that'd be Metroplex's crotch, and that would be his butt. Yeah. Okay. So, the moment we've been waiting for. How's he compared to Unicron? Well, look at that. He's gonna crush him. Oh, hell. Yeah. Here he is next to, Masterpiece Optimus Prime. Here he is with a Titan, well, Headmaster, and here he is with a Titan Master bit here. Actually, no, I'll just turn him into Jeep mode. Make life a bit more easier. There we go. So here you can see a grand variety over here, and just for, just because I want to, we're going to compare him to Metroplex as well, so just got to put Optimus to the back. There he is with Metroplex. So, yeah, he is just fabulous. I love him. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed this journey on opening him with me and finding out what's going to happen to Unicron. On my reaction, I've certainly enjoyed it because, you know, I've been hoping to get a version of this guy for such a long time, so I will see you in my next video. This is Cybertron John. Peace out!